and of friends that you can call your own. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Reynaldo Osman.
Good morning to everybody. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the first annual Christmas get-together of the Cancer Crusaders Club. Itong pagtitipon ngayong umaga is a gathering of the Cancer Crusaders. You might ask me who are the Cancer Crusaders? Tayo po lahat, kayo ho, naririto ngayong umaga ay Cancer Crusaders. You're called Cancer Crusaders because you're fighting against cancer and you are helping others fight against cancer. Kaya ang ngalan Cancer Crusaders. Okay? Itong pagtitito ngayong umaga ay pakana ko, nila Abet, nila Resty, at aking minamahal na kapatid, si Jackie, kapapasok lang ngayon. Jackie, kamusta, no? The reason why we thought of hosting this get-together is because we want to pay tribute to an ex-cancer patient. Whereas we think that you are heroes. Heroes, bayani. Everybody knows that but everybody knows the hardship, the mental anguish, the anxiety, and the pain that you have underwent. And you have survived the crisis. That's why we consider you heroes. And this is our small, humble way of paying tribute to you heroes of cancer. Itong pagtitipon ngayong umaga is also a way of helping the Cancer Crusaders. Through this gathering, you'll realize that hindi ka nag-iisa. And through this gathering, you can exchange and share experiences and kuro-kuro with each other. And mamaya, probably after this gathering, you will realize that you're stronger than before. It's because you have helped others and the others have helped you. So this gathering this morning is our way of paying tribute to you Cancer Crusaders. It's a day of get-together. It's a day of sharing. It's a day of helping others. And it's also a Christmas party all in one. On the first Sunday of December, we're going to hold the second annual get-together party of the Cancer Crusaders. Shall we? Next year? Okay. So, again, welcome to the first annual get-together of the Cancer Crusaders Club. I hope you'll enjoy the morning, and Merry Christmas to you all.
Thank you so much, Dr. Hassan. Okay, sa susunod na natin gagawin, marami po ang nagtatanong kung ano mo ba ang Cancer Crusaders Club na ito. At marami din po ang nagtatanong kung sino ang pwede sumali. Sa mga sasabihin ko, andito po sila. What is it? What is the Cancer Crusaders Club? It is a voluntary non-profit club organized to help persons with cancer fight against cancer. Okay? Hindi lang po yung mga may cancer ang kailangan magsumali dito, pati po yung mga wala. Because we're going to fight against cancer. Okay? Who can join? Membership is open to all persons with cancer, to all ex-cancer patients, and to all persons without cancer who are interested in the crusade against cancer and in helping persons with cancer. Membership is open to all these persons regardless of their age, sex, race, and religion. And what are the requirements for membership? The only requirement is a manifestation of intention, your intention to join the club. There is no membership fee. And what do I do to formally join the club? You have to go to our office of the Cancer Crusaders Club at room 203 Fatima Building, that is 1444 Taft Avenue, Manila, that is across the PGH. Manifest your intention to join the club by filling out a personal data sheet. After that, you are already a member, officially a Cancer Crusader member. What benefits do I get in joining the club? Well, if you are a cancer patient, the club will help you fight against cancer. And then if you are not a cancer patient, you will get the satisfaction of helping persons with cancer. So, magtutulungan mo tayo. Not only those patients na may cancer, but also those patients without cancer. What are the activities of the club which I can join? You are welcome to join all the activities of the club. 1 is membership drive, 2 is cancer registry, 3 cancer information service, cancer therapy, yearly Christmas party for cancer patients and ex-cancer patients, cancer screening program, cancer research, and other activities you may suggest. So, pagkatapos mo natin ng ating Christmas party ngayon, hindi mo dito natatapos ang ating pagtitipon. We have a lot of activities na dapat mo natin gawin pagkatapos ng Christmas party na to. So, this will be our initial salvo. And from here onward, kailangan mo mag-share tayo or magkaisa mo tayo to have this crusade, a successful one, para mo malabanan natin yung mga dapat natin labanan. Okay? Yeah, I think nasabi ko na yung mga dapat kong sabihin. So, this is now the portion where I am going to introduce the cancer, the sharing of those na meron ng cancer. So, magbibigay mo kayo ng mga experiences nyo, yung mga undergo nyo na sakit, at saka paghihirap po. Pero you have to, yung ano lang ho, yung medyo summarize, kumbaga yung maliit lang ho na puntos sa ating ginaano. Okay? So let me just call on Miss Gina Artiaga to tell us something about this.